White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bulls. Happy New Year. Today we're going to be doing veal chops. Other people call them veal tomahawks. Veal's not quite big enough to call it a tomahawk, but it's the exact same idea. We're going to French these, we're going to season these, and then we're going to smoke them to 129. Super simple. Like a steak, but in some ways better. Let's do the damn thing. I got the Ironwood rolling at 225. We're gonna smoke these babies 225 all the way to 129. Let them rest 5 minutes and enjoy the sweet, sweet amazingness of veal. And by sweet, I don't mean taste. I mean just straight up amazing. Let's jump into it. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Let's do the damn thing. So we're gonna French this. Find the bone. And basically you're removing any excess meat. It's not really going to benefit to the chop when it's all said and done. Could be fat, could be membrane. Whatever makes this more aesthetically pleasing is basically the point of Frenching a bone. There you go. Kind of cut a seam, if you will, and then just start pulling back that membrane around the bone to expose the bone like such. And then on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Pull this bone back. Once you get to about where the meat is starting, we're just going to remove it. That is how you French a bone. Nice. Let's season these up and let's get them on that Traeger.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
What the hell even is veal? Veal is just a calf, usually from a dairy calf that's not used for breeding, that they slaughter and that we eat. But it's essentially beef in an earlier form. And this is what it looks like after a few minutes at 225. Doesn't taste like beef, but it's close. This is gonna be amazing. Happy New Year's. Hit that bell. We're gonna take it around 145. We want it as rare as possible. $123, $124. More closer to $130. Now people will tell you, oh, don't puncture that veal. You're gonna make it dry. When you're smoking it low and slow like this, you're not gonna make it dry. Probe your meat, be smart, be safe, know that your meat is done. Veal is just amazing. So unless you're stupid, there's really almost no way that you can ruin it. And I just can't wait to eat this. So we're gonna pull it at 143-ish because on the rest it's gonna get to 145 and we want it as tender as possible. Let's do the damn thing. If you're really, really into the rare stuff, you could pull it lower than that, but USDA doesn't recommend it. Yeah, we're rolling with hickory pellets. This is gonna be amazing. I hope you guys have a positive outlook for 2021. Let's go. It's been about an hour cooked. We've been rolling at 225. The veal is just about done. It's at 143. We're gonna pull it now because the rest is gonna take it past 145, which makes it completely safe to eat. Again, you can go more rare if you want to chance it, but I really ain't into that. 145 would be plenty tender. This calf never moved, really. It's kind of inhumane, but it's gonna make it extremely delicious, extremely tenderful. Tenderful? Is that a word? It is now. So let's check them out. Nothing to it but to put them on a cutting board, do the damn thing, cut them up, devour them. About an hour cook. We threw some The-Rub for beef from WhiteBullsBBQ on it. Veal, again, is just beef calf that never really sees the light of day. And that makes for extremely tender meat at the end of the day. And that is perfectly done right there. Again, don't be afraid to take it to 145. This stuff is so ridiculously tender, it's not gonna hurt. So tender. And from smoking it at a low temperature, we even got a nice little smoke ring there. Look at this. So tender. Ridiculous. Round number 2. Slice that baby up. And I know it's odd that veal kind of looks like chicken or pork, but I promise you, it's just an earlier form of beef. crazy tender. Wow. It's kind of unlike anything else. That is exactly why we're doing it on New Year's Day. Happy New Year's, guys. Hit that like and subscribe, and get some veal in your life. Comment below what you want to see next.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.